Step through the doorway and into a world of entryway enchantment. Your home's first impression, the entryway, sets the stage for what lies beyond. It's where design meets personality, and where a few well-chosen elements can transform a space into a story. From mirrors that play with light to plants that breathe life, each detail crafts a warm welcome. Join us as we journey through a realm of creative ideas, where hooks, rugs, lighting, and personal touches blend to make your entryway an artful introduction to your home. Let's dive into more detailed entryway decoration ideas with examples for each. 1. Mirror magic. Transform your entryway with a large ornate mirror that not only reflects light but also adds a touch of elegance. Imagine a vintage-inspired mirror with intricate gold detailing. It not only makes your space appear bigger but also doubles as a statement piece that captures attention as soon as guests step inside. 2. Plant party. Embrace the natural world by introducing an array of potted plants to your entryway. Picture a row of colorful ceramic pots filled with succulents, trailing vines, and a tall snake plant. It's like inviting a garden into your home, instantly lifting the mood and oxygen levels. 3. Cozy catch-all nook. Create a designated spot for essentials like keys, mail, and bags. A wooden console table with a sleek tray for keys, a mail organizer, and decorative hooks for bags exemplifies this idea. It's like your organized oasis that welcomes you home and keeps clutter at bay. 4. Wall of welcome. Tell your story through an art gallery wall that combines family photos, travel souvenirs, and striking art pieces. Imagine an eclectic mix of framed prints, a vintage clock, and a woven tapestry. It's a conversation starter that invites guests to learn about your journeys and passions. 5. Rug revival. Lay down a textured rug that adds warmth and personality to your entryway. Consider a Moroccan-inspired rug with vibrant colors and patterns. It's like a magic carpet ride for your feet, turning the act of removing shoes into a stylish ritual. 6. Bench bliss. Incorporate a rustic wooden bench with comfy cushions and storage baskets underneath. Think of a farmhouse-style bench with plaid cushions and woven baskets for shoes. It's like a cozy hug as you enter your home, encouraging you to pause and unwind. 7. Lighting delight. Hang a dazzling pendant light with cascading crystals that cast enchanting shadows. Imagine a modern chandelier that steals the show. It's like hosting a grand ball in your entryway, setting the tone for the elegance that awaits throughout your home. 8. Vintage vibes. Infuse your entryway with charm by placing a vintage coat rack with distressed paint and antique hooks. Pair it with an old-school umbrella stand and a retro telephone table. It's like stepping into a portal that bridges the past and the present. 9. Floating shelf finesse. Elevate your decor game with floating shelves adorned with eclectic treasures. Display a mix of art prints, potted plants, and decorative sculptures. 10. Personalized pizzazz. Add a personal touch with a custom monogram doormat and typography wall art that spells out a cheerful greeting. Combine it with a whimsical family photo collage. It's like a playful introduction to your home's unique character. Each of these ideas adds its own flair to your entryway, creating a space that's not only inviting but also a reflection of your style and personality. So, go ahead and embark on your entryway decoration journey with these detailed examples in mind.